Right, welcome to my little workshop. A quick tour. Let's go clockwise, starting down the bottom corner. My little painting area, obviously fire extinguisher, my angle grinder, my little airbrush, although it's never been used. Wire wheel station and a mitre station incorporated into the desk at the same level. Makes it good working with really long stock. A little vice hidden underneath the table I can pull out any moment is my hot workstation, all my fire bricks. Just close the door. My workbench, made it myself. It was Paul Sellers' inspiration, copied it from his design. And obviously my tool board, mostly generic woodworking tools on the wall. My little Waco mill, the WM12. It's my little workhorse. It works quite well. It's not very rigid, but it does a grand job for what I want it to do. And my own homemade DRO fitted. Does a perfect job for what I need. The Waco pillar drill, floor standing I got. What's else to say? With a cross vise installed. I wish the cross vise was easy to get on and off. That's perhaps the only thing I get disappointed with it. And I've got my trusty Myford ML10. Does an excellent job. Again, I fitted custom made DRO. One there, one on the cross side and one on the tailstock. The quick change tool post from Banggood. Excellent job. I mean, what's this say? The posts are so cheap you can't fault it really. And I got all my 4-jaw chuck and some spiders, 3D printed some spiders. My indexer for the if I ever don't want to do indexing. Throw in a handle on the end, or I can put a handle on the end of that as well, so I can do any manual threading. Generic tools, planes, painting area. My pride and joy in this back corner, if you can't quite see, in this massive box. My CNC machine, the screen to run it. There we go, inside. My homemade CNC machine. It's not very rigid, but great for working on wood. Does wood fantastically. And there, inside the drawer underneath, mostly drill bits and bits for the CNC machine, etc., etc. I made the big box double glazed and soundproofed it basically because when it runs, it's extremely loud. Underneath, my electronic station just sits here. I can just slide it out, move it to the table. Under the bottom, my Hoover and Cyclone, and then the computer to run the CNC machine. A little jigsaw, 3D printer. It's pretty cold in here at the moment, that's why it says emergency stop. Again, inside a box to try and keep it warm because this place is extremely cold. And a little heater for the filament, that was new for Christmas from the family. The wine, in case it ever gets really bad. Woodstock, sheet material woodstock is in the back. Just bits and pieces down the back of the 3D printer. Down on the floor I keep my scrap metal down there, and then underneath the lathe I keep all the metal stock separated, spring steel, brass, copper, etc. Random tools underneath. One of my first purchases was the big 14-inch bandsaw, again from Waco. You probably noticed the theme here, Waco for everything, because it's lit for me. It's just down the road, it's a 20-minute drive, and I can be at the workshop showroom for Waco, so it's extremely handy. Plus it's very good quality. Glues, water, etc, etc. My thicknesser planing machine, my belt sander from 84 Engineering, for my Australian friends, you'll know them. This is perhaps the most dangerous corner of the shop because I have a grinder over the oxyacetylene sat in the back corner and some more gas and the garbage bin. So this isn't particularly a very clever spot, but the grinder isn't currently fixed to the ground, so that's my excuse if I pull it out when I'm working. Then I keep wood stock on the wall, and then up in the attic I've got an attic area, dumping area for crap. And that's my little workshop. It's amazing what you can squeeze into a little shop. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.